What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. And today, an unboxing of a knife. All right, this I think is the first time I'm gonna have a case knife on the channel. All right, so let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna pop this thing open, drop the knife, product, quality information. Okay. Okay. Anyways, so, there's the knife. So this is different, right? This is a one-handed opener, or it's supposed to be at least. It's got that arrowhead shield, satin bolsters. I will tell you right now that those lines on the satin finish are not straight, okay? They're not straight this way at least, but they're getting away with it because, you know, the handle's not straight. All right, let's get into it. All right. Damn it, man. Come on, yo. Oh, shit, man. This is no good. That is no good. Look at that centering, man. Like, look at that. I mean, check that out, too. He's got a big gap right there. Big. Come on, man. But that takes the cake right there. That centering is like the worst I've seen on any knife I've ever bought. Really. Come on. Made in America, too. U.S. made. USA made. Made in the USA. American made. Whatever you want to call it. Come on, man. That's no good. All right. Let's just open this knife. All right. The knife is open. Right there. You can see the tang. Man, I don't know what to say about this. I really don't. Just that it's terrible. And this is an example of the fact that not everything that's made in the United States, made in America, is good or good quality. I mean, the materials are all right? I mean, they're okay. Finishing is poor, all right? I mean, look at this. Come on, man. That's extremely poor finishing right here. We got satin and we got high polish right there. Seriously? Oh, man. I'm going to be returning this knife. I'm telling you that. I'm not even going to try their warranty. Nope. Nope, not on this. All right. And this is what I mean by not everything made in America is made well. This is sad. It really is. You know, where's that knife? So this one's from the 1920s to 1940s. Okay. Half stop. And I mean, case is a two-handed opening knife usually. Right. Man, but I believe their fit and finish has gone down. I don't know what else to say. This is really bad. Okay, that's all there is to say about this. That's it. This knife sucks. I don't recommend the case Russlock. Okay. Oh, if you guys like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. You want to see more, subscribe. And until next time, Tim Z out.